This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now let's take a brief look at the gold market, because not much changes we see here. To be honest, guys, as I said in today's Forex markets update, I will not be surprised if the nearest future our major commodity that we will talk at will be the crude oil rather than the gold market. It could be the joke, but in general, the crude oil right now has really great potential for the possible trading even on the long-term charts. And due to the turmoil in Iraq, the market now is turning to the more activity, and it's really could be very interesting in the nearest future. And all that is related to the crude oil, in particular the Canadian dollar. Well, by taking a look at the gold market, we see that market gradually trying to exit from the overbought conditions. So it stands the second day, even the third day in a row. So Monday was an inside session to the Friday. Friday was inside session to the Thursday. And right now the Tuesday is also has very tight range and stands in fact very flat. On the first glance, this market is forming the pennant pattern that potentially could become the continuation pattern. And in the many other markets, that's really the true. So pennant is really continuation pattern, but I dare to suggest that not on the gold market, because the gold market very rare does the obvious steps. It usually shows some traps and unlogical action, and that's why I suspect that we could become the participants of something of that sort. So market really could show some downward retracement first, and only after that could turn to the upside. That will be in a manner of the gold market. That's very typical for the gold market. Besides, do not forget what we have said about this support. That support was really strong, and it has passed by the gold market without no respect. Odds suggest that in many that market should return right back down and retest this level from the opposite direction. That's very typical for such strong levels. That's very typical, and that happens on many markets very often. That strong levels that have been broken without respect retested by the price from the opposite direction. And that really could happen again. In general, that some minor retracement will be in the character of the gold market. That's very typical for the gold market, shows a bit unpredictable moves. So from the technical point of view, that's absolutely normal. Market hits and stands right now at overbought. Minor retracements carries no surprises at all. Besides, that will be the 50% support of this huge Moroboso candle. That also will be absolutely normal. Right now, our major focus will stand on the 4-hour chart. So previously we said that maybe market will form some sort of the double repo sell or something of that sort. To be honest, guys, although thrust is not bad, but the tops of this consolidation, it's not acceptable for double repo pattern. When you get the double repo, you would like to see the capitulation of the bulls when the market shows the first top, shows the retracement, and traders think that this is just retracement, and with its attempt to push market high, they fail, and that leads to the fast downward continuation. That's why the tops of the double repo usually very good looking and visible easily, but right now we do not have this. We have mostly the consolidation that theoretically suggests the upward continuation. If we wouldn't get the overbought on the daily time frame chart, I would say that probably we should be ready for the upward action, and then after that market maybe will form something reversal. But taking into consideration the overbought and that this is the gold market, I will not be surprised the market will show some downward action. Besides, here we in fact do not care what will happen. in terms that if we will get retracement, that will be great. We will try to take the long position and take the part in the momentum continuation right to the 1330, 1335 next area. For us, the major condition is to get retracement first and upward continuation second, because if market will not show the retracement, we will just not get our entry point. But that's not the risk for us. That's just we will do not get our opportunity for trading. That's all. That's not some sort of the risk of the loss or something of that sort. Because if market will continue move right now to the upside, it will hit the 1618 extension of this ABCD and probably will hit the daily ABC 1335 fib resistance area. That's what will happen next. We would like to get the possibility for trading here, trying to take the long position if market will give us this retracement. That's what we'll be watching for in the current week on the gold market. So if market will show some unlogical, if we could say that, unpredictable action to the downside, better to say unexpected on the gold market. So if we will get retracement, that will be perfect. We will try to take the long position. If we will not get it, well, in this case we will try to find something else, or we'll find and wait for some another setup here. But if market will start move to the downside, we should be watching for 1290, 13 even area, because that's the 50% support of this move up. That's also stands previous top here. It's confidence support, as we have discussed in our weekly research. So in fact the situation hasn't changed much, so you could reread analysis that we have prepared during the weekend, and you will find some other levels here in this area. And that is level that we expect the market will retest. As you can see, that's area 1296, 1298, the broken level without respect. So if market will show the retracement, most probable that it will reach this area, and that will be our major range to look for possible taking the long position. So let's see what will happen. Let's hope that market will make us a royal gift and gives us this possible retracement to the downside.